This is why the $300 serum brags that they have copper peptide. Except there is usually watered down, unstable, or just the cosmetic grade. But Glow uses the clinical form, pure medical grade. That's why the result hits different. The second peptide in the Glow combo is BPC-157. This one is the wild because it's not even a skin peptide. It's a healing peptide. BPC-157 increases blood flow, improves angiogenesis, reduces inflammation, and speeds tissue repair. Then why does this matter for skin? Because your skin is basically a healing organ that's constantly repairing micro damage. So when you add BPC-157, it's like telling your skin, hey, repair faster and calm inflammation before it becomes wrinkles. This is why Glow helps with redness, post-acne marks, eczema flare support, irritated skin, and barrier repair. The third and the last peptide in the combo is TB500. TB500 is the sleeper. Everyone talks about GHK-Cu, everyone knows BPC-157, but TB500 is the peptide nobody mentions. Yes, it's one of the most powerful for tissue regeneration. It improves structural integrity, strengthens extracellular matrix, and increases cellular migration, meaning your skin heals cleaner and faster. This is huge for scars, fine lines, sun damage, texture, injuries, post-procedures like microneedling, laser, IPL. Glow uses the anti-aging doses, not the bodybuilding ones, so it's safe at the cosmetic level. Look, this is the controversial truth. Consumer skincare is designed to keep you buying, not to fix the root cause. Store skincare works on the surface. Glow works at the cell level. Cosmetic store brand skincare can't activate fibroblast, can signal gene expression, can accelerate wound healing, can repair collagen fibers, can build new blood vessels, can remodel extracellular matrix. The peptides can, especially this three combination. Medical grade peptide actually signals change. They are instruction, not moisturizer. This is why dermatologists use peptide after procedure. This is why Hollywood uses peptide off cameras. This is why athlete uses peptide to heal faster and recover faster. So let's break it down how this Glow peptide works. Think of it like a three-man repair crew. GHK-Cu equals the archetype. Designs collagen, elastin, and firmness. BPC-157, the EMT, stops inflammation, starts repair. And TB500 equals the builder. Migrates cells, repairs structure. When these three works together, your skin doesn't just glow, it regenerates. The question is, who should be using this peptide? Honestly, this peptide can be used by anyone who wants better collagen, firmer skin, less redness, post-acne recovery, post-procedure healing, anti-aging, glow without makeup, faster recovery from irritation, and smooth texture. And honestly, anyone over 30 can use this peptide. Let's talk about how to use the Glow peptide. Apply AM or PM topically after cleansing. Use with hyaluronic acid or any peptide-friendly moisturizer. Glow peptide is safe with retinol and is safe with vitamin C. If you are doing microneedling regularly, this is a gold. Now the final all-in-one skincare stack for viewers wanting max results, here it is. Glow peptide, that is GHK-Cu, BPC-157 and TB500. Microneedling regularly. Vitamin C in AM, retinol PM. Some lifestyle changes include proper hydration with electrolyte, sleep optimization, and supplementation with collagen and omega-3. This is the stack I use on my patient who wants real anti-aging and real skin transformation, not just the topical results. I have treated so many patients who walks in crying because they have tried everything. Thousands of dollars on skincare, facials, laser, and nothing worked because they are treating the symptoms, not the biology. Peptide changed that for people. The Glow peptide was designed for results, not hype. If you learned something today, hit follow. I make medical grade anti-aging simple, honest, and science-backed. No fluff, no hype, just results.